have question. Okay, I have question.
You have a question?
Okay.
Ask.
Jasia Chimiamwachia
What's that?
sa Korea, half Korea, North and South. Daw Shiwan Chiamechi Wachi Choshi Chio Quick Chow. You know Quick Chow? You don't know Quick Chow? How many language you speak?
Two. Arabic, English.
Arabic, English. English. Me, 16 language.
60 language.
Wachimiawa. This is hi, hello.
Hi, hello.
Machimawa.
In which country? In which language?
North Korea. Vietnam. Ting tong tong. No, Vietnam. Ting tong tong. This is hi, hello, how are you? Ting, hi. Tong, hello, how are you?
Your job.
Two, 16 country,
You have to know many language because you visit many countries.
Yeah, okay, this one. No, to, Singapore. You know Singaporean?
Yes. I think Vietnam, Korea.
Okay, Thailand. I know this one. Meow, meow, meow. This Thailand. Hi, hello, how are you?
Meow, meow, meow. Hi, hello.
You speak. Meow, meow, meow. This Thailand. Hi, hello, how are you? You speak. Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
Thailand.
It's a cat.
Oh, it's Thailand. Bisaya, you know Bisaya?
Bisaya?
Yeah.
What's Bisaya?
Bisaya. You know Bisaya? Bisaya is the popular language in the whole country.
Bisaya?
Yeah.
Which country?
Bisaya? Switzerland. Bisaya. Bisaya is with Switzerland. You don't know this Switzerland? You know Switzerland? Huh?
Switzerland.
Swiss canal.
Switzerland, isn't it?
Swiss canal.
No. Switzerland, you mean Swiss?
You're maybe you're African, half African.
No, 100%.
Jordan. So
100%.
you know how to play basketball? Michael Jordan.
It's a nickname, Michael Jordan. Jordan, the country.
You've been in Alaska. Alaska.
Alaska?
Yeah, Alaska is a milk. Alaska country.
Alaska country.
You've been or no?
Cold country. Maybe in
Cold.
Russia?
Cold. Alaska now is a milk. Milk. Alaska. Milk. Milk is Alaska. Beer brand, milk, Nescafe, coffee milk.
Yeah.
You know this Chitli.
Italy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's my brother. Brother.
Brother Italy?
Yeah.
Getting paid from China.
No, he's from Australia. Yes.
Oh, China.
Australia. China.
Australia, Italy from Australia.
Australia. Then he go to Philippines in Danau. You know Danau? Danau. You don't know Danau? He go in Danau.
Italy from Australia.
Australia. Yes. Then after he go in Danau, he get this.
Which country now?
Danau is Indonesia. Yeah.